Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen red. We'll start by exploring the essential ingredients that give your ramen that beautiful, fiery hue. Then, I'll show you easy techniques to infuse these colors and flavors directly into your broth. Finally, we'll cover how to perfectly balance the spice and richness, ensuring your red ramen is not only visually stunning, but also incredibly delicious. Get ready to transform your noodle bowls. To achieve that signature red, start with gochugaru, a Korean chili powder offering a deep color and balanced heat. Chili oil is fantastic for an instant, glossy red finish and a spicy punch. Don't forget tomato paste. It adds a natural red and a wonderful savory umami. For a smoky red without too much spice, a small amount of paprika can work wonders. These are your core components for vibrant ramen. Now, let's infuse that color. Sautéing your chili powder and paste in a tablespoon of oil before adding broth helps bloom their flavors and color. For a fresh, vibrant red, stir in a few teaspoons of chili oil right at the end. Simmering your red ingredients with the broth for at least 10 minutes will deepen the hue significantly. Remember to add these components gradually, tasting as you go, to control the intensity. Achieving perfect balance is key. Begin with a small amount of chili, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon, and taste often to adjust the spice to your preference. A dash of sugar or a tablespoon of mirin can beautifully balance the heat and add a subtle sweetness. For brightness, a squeeze of lime or a teaspoon of rice vinegar introduces a lovely acidity. Finally, garnish with fresh scallions or toasted sesame seeds to complete your delicious, vibrant red ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.